Good morning, sweet kids. This is Mrs. Rohrig. Happy Tuesday. So let's get started with our morning calendar. This says, hello, KA sweet kids. We have music and technology today. This is our last day together before our break. Thanksgiving is in 2 days. Love, Mrs. Rohrig. For our greeting, we're going to say, hola. So you can say hola to all of your family members in your house. We're going to say hola, KA. For sharing, what is your favorite Thanksgiving food? My favorite Thanksgiving food is green bean casserole, and I really love my mom's deviled eggs too. Both of them, I think, are a tie for my favorite Thanksgiving food. Can you share with your family what your Thanksgiving food is? For Wows and Pals today, I am going to share, and so are you. So my wow and pal, my wow is I am so impressed with how all of you are doing with virtual learning. So keep up the hard work. And my pal would be that I'm not able to pass back all of our sweet work today. I have all of our papers that I went through, and I have lots and lots of sweet work that have pineapple stickers on them, and I want to hang them up, but I will wait until you guys come back in December to hang up our sweet work papers. So that's something you can look forward to when you come back to school. For our activity today, we've done this before. We're going to do a freeze dance. So if you have room next to you, you can listen to our music and you can freeze when it says freeze. All right, ready to boogie. Let's go. Are you frozen?
Everybody, get ready to hop! Hopping, hopping all around. Hopping, hopping, hopping. Hopping any way you please. But stop when I say freeze! Everybody, get ready to skip! Skipping, skipping all around. Skipping, skipping, skipping. Skipping any way you please. But stop when I say freeze!
All right. We're going to go ahead and start our number talks for Tuesday. So for Tuesday number talks, we do true or false Tuesday. So you need to tell me if it's true, if it's right, or if it's false, if it's a wrong statement. Okay? So are you sitting back in your chair? Here we go. Is this true or false? So you can look at the circles. There are 3 circles here. So 3 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Does 3 plus 2 equal 5? Is that true or false? True. Our next one, is this true or false? 1 plus 2 equals 3. That is true. Look at our next one. True or false? 4 plus 1 equals 6. Is that true or false? That one is false. What does 4 plus 1 equal? 5. True or false? 1 plus 3 equals 4. True. True or false? 2 plus 1 equals 2. That one is false. What does 2 plus 1 equal? 3. All right, now let's go to our calendar And we're going to start by singing our November song. Leaves are falling, winter's calling, we are thankful for our friends. November, it's November once again. Let's go ahead and count to find our missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Today is November, Tuesday, and it's the 24th. So we already said today is Tuesday, November 20, put our 2, 4, and it's 2020. Today is Tuesday, November 24th, 2020, that's the date. Today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? Well, if I look outside right now, it is sunny. It looks beautiful outside. So I'm going to drag the word sunny and our picture sunny, and then I'm going to graph sunny. So many beautiful days in the month of November. Now let's check what the temperature is in Oakwood. So right now, it says that the temperature is 42 degrees Fahrenheit. So when I come back, I'm going to write 42 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, I'm trying to write as pretty as I can, but I'm using a mouse, so it makes it a little bit tricky. 42 degrees Fahrenheit. When you check the temperature today, it might not be 42. It could be warmer, it could be colder. It just depends on when you check the temperature. You could check the temperature in our Google Classroom, in our clickable page, or you could ask your parents to check the temperature for you. I'm going to drag another one up into our ones place. So now, after I do that, how many are in my ones place? 3. And how many are in my tens place? 6. So my big number that I created is 63. And I am going to write 63 days of kindergarten, and I will add that to our growing number line too. All right, thank you so much, sweet kids. I hope that you have a great rest of your day and a great Thanksgiving break. Make sure to hug all of your family members. See you later.